Hey everyone, today we have a Crazy Aaron's Happy Hedgehog Thinking Putty. So this is one of the new ones here in 2023. It's a 3.2 ounce, 90 gram. And this one I would classify as a novelty putty. You know, normally they're glow in the dark or color changing or scented. But then there's some that are just kind of unique. You know, they're sparkly or they just have some shimmer or some special element. And, you know, I kind of classify those as novelty. And that is what this one definitely is. But very cute package design here. We'll look at the back here as well. The happy little hedgehog. And we'll get right into this. So let's open up this tin. And that's really nice right off the bat. Just seeing that in the light here of my room. A lot of really pretty putty and sparkle. Let's get this out of the tin. I want to take a look at this. I'm sure you guys do as well. Okay. And there's always a little bit that gets stuck on the lid, I find. So we'll get that picked up here. Okay. But here we have it. It's, man, just tons of glitter pieces in this one. I'm seeing everything, lots of like Easter colors. So I'm seeing like all the pastel colors in here. Purple, pink, blue, yellow, green. So that's really traditional Easter colors in my opinion. The putty is clear itself, actually, as you can see here, you know, me stretching it really thin. The putty is clear. But man, yeah, this one just looks really nice here in the light. Really, really pretty. Man, that is really nice. That's a really nice putty. I would say as far as the texture goes, this is a medium type of, you know, firmness or softness. So the putties usually vary. Some are very soft, some are very firm. This one feels about medium. So it does have a nice stretchability. It does have a nice ability to kind of squeeze it and shape. I mean, this one would definitely hold its shape here. It's definitely, you know, anything that I would say like medium does hold pretty well. The softer putties would just kind of sink down. But yeah, this one's medium. It's not super firm. And just, those are the best. You know, I think the medium is like the best of both worlds. You kind of get to, you know, have the satisfaction of the softer and firmer putties in one. But yeah, that's just really, really nice. You know, that's, and then with these novelty putties, you know, that's kind of the gist of it. There's really not much else you can do with this. Doesn't glow in the dark or change color. It's just really nice to play with. And this one definitely is. Now these glitter pieces, these are a little bit larger than some of the glitter in the other pieces. So whenever you have these putties that, you know, have this little bit bigger glitter pieces here, they do have a texture to them. So that may be a turnoff to some people. I actually find it fairly nice. It's a little bit kind of gritty. You know, I wouldn't say it's ever going to cut your hand, but as I'm stretching it out here, you know, and I definitely feel those pieces kind of just gently rubbing on my hand. And it's fairly pleasant. It's a pretty nice sensory feeling. But again, I've read some people, I usually read all the reviews for these putties, see what everyone else is saying about them. You know, some people do find that to be a little bit unappealing. But man, really nice putty here. I do like this one quite a bit. But that's it. That is Happy Hedgehog. So please let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Please like this video if you found this helpful and subscribe for more putty videos soon. Thanks everyone.